Hold it, hold it. No, hold the camera. Put it in, ready? Oh, wait, we can't put wood in there. I mean, that's not wood, that's wood. Ready? Come on, put it back like you did. Put it in like you were. Ready? Put it in. Put it in. Now she wants to take it out. Ready? Ow, let go. Ready? Oh. Ready? You're supposed to come so you can see your face. Ready? Come so you can see your face. Ready? Oh. Did you do that? Did you do that? And do it again? Why are we doing this stuff? Taking the diapers out? How many? Oh, crap.
Okay. Stop recording.
What? You can stop recording.
Okay.
It's still recording.
I know.
What? Oh, shit. It's facing me. Oh. It's facing me. Take it out. Do you think we should put her in it?
Yeah.
Hold on. You have to hold it because you can't. Hold it so I can lift her up. No, not you. You should go in it. Oh, she's still in the bag. Watch. You're just putting the camera at the floor, at least. That doesn't make for a very good video. Ready? Nay, look. Oh. What's in the box? Ah. Don't. Make sure you occasionally rub that. Ready? You have to follow her. You move the camera with her. Whoa. Ready?
It's red. It's red.
It's supposed to be red. It means it's recording.
Oh.
What's red? It's supposed to be red. If it's not red, it's not recording. Is that what you meant when you said it wasn't recording? You thought it.
I thought it wasn't recording.
No, the faster it goes, it means that you don't have any. Wanna get out? Ready? Owie! That hurt. Nay. Nay. Do your face. Nay. Ready? Yeah! I don't know. She does it so much. Wanna get out now? Look! I think she put stuff in there. Alright. We probably shouldn't ruin this bag because this is where the diapers are supposed to go.
Yeah, I only think one bag's gonna fit in there.
Oh, they're Mickey.
Yeah, they're pattering.
These are poo. I think those are poo too. Ow. Which ones are these? Which ones were them? Oh, okay. So the snug and dry are the. Okay, she probably shouldn't ruin the box because your mom might need the box.
Ah.
Oh, we should leave her there though, because if she's playing in the box, she won't rip anything else. Ready? You done with the video? Merry Christmas! Shh. Good thing your mom's gone home.
Oh.
You're supposed to be. I can't see your face like that. Okay. You know it's just recording you with your face stuck like that. Nay.
I hope you're having fun.
I need to burp.